3D printing is no longer just the future. It is here. Hi, my name is Dr. Michael Shearer, and I'm a prosthodontist. I practice here in Sonora, California. Across the board, the biggest thing that I've thought about with 3D printing is ultimately to improve my patient care. I need it to be accurate, precise, but I also need it to be usable. So the key is that when all three of those things come together, like it does with my 5100 3D printer, it's magic. So I have the two printers set up side by side to enable for faster production of my teeth and my digital dentures. I can have a patient that I plan for same-day dentures, where I see the patient first thing in the morning, do our impression work, do a scan, have my assistant work on the design of these teeth over the course of the morning, and then literally have the patient come back in the early afternoon and have their teeth done. Since we're 3D printing our dentures, the shrinkage rate is so low compared to traditional methods. Traditional methods shrink a tremendous amount. So dentures fit better, there's less sore spots, and patients are ultimately happier. And the true power of 3D Sprint really creates an amazingly simple cleanup process. You know, the amazing thing about 3D printing is that it literally has changed everything in my clinical practice without making me change my clinical practice. And the power of that is that I can go ahead and deliver a restoration, an interim prosthesis, or a final bridge, denture, etc., that meets my expectations in terms of accuracy, precision, the look of it, the aesthetics, and the function. 3D printing has really revolutionized my practice because it's just fun.